sometimes think of writing comics as putting together a puzzle in a blizzard. When I'm brainstorming, I'm dumping all the pieces out of the box and gathering them as they all start to swirl around. Not all the pieces, but enough to decide whether or not I want to bend, or if I want to see it through and write it, and then I'll move on to the outline, where I start to find all these missing puzzle pieces and begin organizing them. Like when you start to gather all the same color puzzle pieces, and you start to build the foundation, the edge, or the frame of the puzzle. And the scripting is where you put all the pieces together and you make it look like you knew what you were doing the whole time. And it's where you try to get that puzzle safely off the table and onto a gluey piece of cardboard before you hand it over to the artist.